OMG guys, ito na siya! Let's unbox the limited edition Oreo x BTS collaboration. This is the box. Daming plastic. Moment of truth. Ito na! At Hanadul set. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Oh, what's this? Stickers. So, ito yung stickers, guys. Meron tayo dito Oreo BTS Original na ganito yung pack niya. 4 na ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung normal Oreo packaging. Last but not the least, we have the Hotok flavor. So, yung Hotok, guys, is a brown sugar pancake. This flavor is inspired by the comfort food of BTS. Sa loob pala nito guys, meron tayong 9 na pack. Ganito naman itsura guys ng box na walang laman and ang ganda niya. Meron din dito ang QR code. Pwede nyo yan i-scan para manalo. Then we have note here, it says straight from Seoul Street Markets to fans, a limited edition Oreo cookie inspired by Hotok, BTS favorite snack. Ito try na natin yung Hotok flavor. Tada! Ang cute niya, guys. Purple. BTS logo. So, yun lang, guys. Bye!